Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card you're making today. I hope you like it. This uses lots of our new ink colours. This is Polished Pink, Soft Succulent and of course Evening Evergreen. So let's get started. I've got everything set up in my Stamparatus. I'm going to stamp the sentiment first, and this is the stamp set we're going to be using for everything. Pretty Perennials. So we've used these two flowers and Happy and then the birthday. And of course we're stamping in this gorgeous Polished Pink. Now if anyone knows me, you know that I love bright bold colours, and is this not bright and bold? I love it. Really up my alley. Definitely. So give it a good press down, that will do fine. Close up our ring pad for now. We don't want to make a mess, and definitely going to keep everything a good clean because this ink will transfer everywhere if you don't. So that gives it a good clean. This is the Simple Chamois, which I absolutely adore. Take the stamps out. Take this out, store a magnet in its nice little place at the back, get rid of that, and now we're just going to cut out our sentiments. I'm going to bring in my trimmer to do that. You could use some dies, but I'm not in the mood today, so we are going freehand, and it works absolutely fine. So let's see, let's have a look. We're happy. I'm going to take a little bit off the base. Now we're happy. Okay, and then I'm going to get a piece of scrap, and let's see. Hey, look at that, that works just absolutely perfect. Isn't that amazing? And I'm just going to maybe take a tiny bit off the base again, and then a little bit off the top, and maybe off the side here. You can always take away, but you can't put back, so this is my process to get to something I'm happy with. Yep, that looks good to me. So this is Evening Evergreen. We're going to map this down, and I'm going to use all of it because it's just easier that way. And then we're going to straighten it out here. Bit at the top, so my piece wasn't that straight. Yeah, because it was just scrap. So there we go, there's that sentiment done. Okay, so let's start to assemble our card. Let's find our card base, which I said is Evening Evergreen, and then we're going to put down our base, which is Soft Succulent. So I'm not sure which side I want, this one, or I think I want that side, so I'm going to put my adhesive here. These are the new patterns in the family stack, and I really like them. They're very soft muted patterns, so you can use these pieces easily for backgrounds, which is always a good thing. Just like that. And then we're going to stick this down in the centre. Now you could pop this up, but I'm not going to. You could just leave it almost like that, and that would look cool as well. Now when I made this card, I stamped way too many flowers, as you can see, so I have a whole host of them left. But as I said, it was the same stamp set with Polished Pink, and you could stamp where you want, or ink, you know, stamp them whatever colour you want, whatever, but I wasn't going to waste these and stamp them again with you, so we are going to use these up because we don't want to waste. as crafters, we don't like to waste, do we? So I'm going to pop some of these up now on dimensionals. So let's find one here, I think. And I like the way the pink, the tail's finished within the in the flowers. So let's see, maybe this little one over there, another little one there. I don't think we're going to use that one actually. So finishing touches, some rhinestones which are hiding from me. Where are they? Here they are. And we are going to just use these ones as flower centres. And I think this is really important because this just lifts everything by the rhinestones here. It really does. That one doesn't want to come. And the smaller ones here. And it just gives something, the rhinestones, I really do feel. So there you have the 2 cards. So, like it, hate it, love it, adore it? Let me know in the comments section below. So thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this card, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, all that kind of good stuff, it's all in the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host some online classes. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.